thank you so much for tuning to watch today's video. Today in the menu is a fish roll. Let's dive into this video. Let me show how I achieve this nice fish roll. First of all, I'll be adding fish to the pot, well washed mackerel. After adding them, I will go ahead and add onion, pepper, ginger and garlic. You don't need more spices in this fish seasonings. Add seasoning cubes as well and salt, and that is it. Add water to it and allow it to steam. We'll be needing vegetables for this fish roll. It's optional, totally optional, but this is the new way of making fish roll and I really enjoy it. Normally it's made by with fish only, but I'm going to add this onions and green peppers, with green pepper and red pepper, just to stuff it more. So for you to add it, you need to cut it a little. You don't need to cut it in a big size, and that's why I sliced it first before cutting it in chunk. That is exactly how I did the whole of them and set them aside. Now the fish is cooked and I've taken it out of the pan. I have a dry pan here. I'll be adding the onion and the peppers that I just cutted. Just leave it there to drain off the water. You know, pepper and onions have waters, but not much waters. I just allow them there to drain out. While it is draining, I'll go ahead and debone the fish. I don't know why I was using my hand. Editing this video, I was just laughing at myself. You can use your hand or use fork, please. I'll just take the bones out, and you know, fishes, they have bone in between the fish, even after you have taken the main bone. So do well to remove it, just as I'm doing now, because kids are eating. After that, just take this fork and mash them into smaller pieces. Alright, that being done, the peppers and onions have drained the water that is in them. I'll just go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of light olive oil and saute it. Don't allow it to, you know, dry much, because you want it to be moist in your fish roll. Immediately I will go in with the fish that I have already mashed. You have 2 options: to fry it or to steam it until it is brown in color or light brown in color. I just added salt and the black pepper here to spice it up a little. Alright, you can leave it like this or this. So this is the way I decided to leave mine. Just take it out from the pan and allow it to cool off while we get ready for the dough. And for the dough, I am using 500 grams of flour. I'm using nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. I just use a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a quarter spoon of salt. There I am adding 50 grams of butter. Please, you don't need much butter in this recipe. If you put more, while you are frying it, your fish roll will start opening or busting more that you don't want it. Just mix them or get them ready in a brown breadcrumbs form. Add 1 egg. You don't need more egg here. Only 1 egg is enough for this 500 grams of flour. To make the dough, I will be adding water little by little, cold water. I have a lot of water there, please, but I didn't add it, not even water of that. I use 1 cup of water for this. Be careful, because this is where you start making your fish roll to have a beautiful form. This is how the dough is looking now. I'll just go ahead, cover it and allow it to rest for 20 minutes or 15. It's very much ready now. Next to do is to introduce flour on your work surface and go ahead and cut it into how you want your meat pie, or sorry, meat pie, no, your fish roll to be. So I literally cut mine big. You can actually make it little, but I didn't have that patience. So after that, I'll go ahead and use my roller to roll it out like this. This is the form the fish roll molding should look like, so that after you finish folding them, they will have that fish roll method or fish roll style. Exactly. It's as beautiful as this. I'll show you how I did it now. Alright, after that, you have to put your fillings in a bigger part, yes, so that after you roll it, it will give you that form that you are looking for. Stuff it, yes, stuff it. I don't like eating meat pie or fish roll or whatever and you have nothing inside. I stuffed it very well. Be generous with that. And after that, use your finger to poke them in so that they won't come out. And you don't need to close it, no. Fish roll form is like this. You don't need to close the mouth, just let it to be open. That is how fish roll is. So thank you so much if you're still here watching. I truly appreciate, I always say this all the time, that is just to show you how much I appreciate your time that you spend with me. If you're watching my video, please do well to give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, of course you will like it. And watch the video possibly to the end, yes, because you want to see the outcome and you are helping our masters to grow as well. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Expect videos in this channel every week, possibly twice every week. I try to make it. Thank you so much. Please, when you are rolling it, make sure you hold it tight or firmly so that it will be able to fry without busting or opening. And everything is done. I am using a medium light. After the oil is hot, go ahead and throw it. Just look at how I was running for that hot oil. Please run for it, oh. Anything hot oil. The way I was throwing it is funny. I'm just laughing now. All right. Allow it to fry on a medium heat. Don't use high heat to fry it. Fry it until you get the perfect color you need. As for me, this is the perfect color I need. Thank you so much. This meat pie, why am I always calling it meat pie? This fish roll is ready, please. And the inside was full of meal, as in those veggies and fish. It was well stuffed. And after that, just allow it to cool off a little. Open it. And you see how beautiful and how stuffed it is. It is very ready. You can make your choice. I have malt, I have Coke, and I have a banana milkshake and banana milkshake and fresa. Yeah, it's strawberry fresa. Make your choice. Any of them was very, very nice for this fish roll. I tested all of them. Oh, it is not my photo. Thank you so much for watching and I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye.